My signal is good already. Dragon Gamer, hi. It's Philippines. O sige. Tulog na ako. Matulog. Okay, okay. Thank you. Gabi na. Pwede kayo sa padalaw. Ah, nice hola. Okay, yeah. Did you ever hear the Philippines? I have a question. What's question? Don't forget to answer. Don't forget to like. How would you say I love you? And you recall what it means. Good for you. Princess, thank you. See? That's person needs to time out. Yeah, there's a lot now. I need to time out them. I need to time out. Need to time out. I'm lucky now. My signal is good. I have a good signal. Not bad. There's a lot of Hi, princess. Maybe Tudor is constipated. Guys, don't forget to like, guys. Try. That's good. Can you buy for me? Can you buy for me? Hi, God. Thank you. Don't forget to like, guys. Gan in seconds. Where are you from, my friend? Can a crazy dog can revive for me? Okay, I don't send my address. Hi, Mike. Can you use super chat and I buy it for me because I don't send my address to any people that I don't know them. If you send me a super chat, why not? I don't give my address to any people here that I don't know him. You can send me a super chat. Yes. Guys, be respectful to want to be like Jesus. Yeah, I want to full time out the people are not